Hello my YouTube friends, Dave Wilson here. Just a quick update. I just published my Thingiverse, the quick change mount with the DD15 Breakout board. And I just wanted to show you real quickly so I can attach this to the Thingiverse listing. But I'm really happy with this. Started off with the quick change with all kinds of weird wiring. Then I went to a DD15 connector that was soldered. This is just so much easier because I can change fans, I can change the heater, I can change the extruder motor so quickly. And everything's, I've used ferrules on everything, and it just goes right into the DB15 board, and then it's all set to go. But as you know, I live in the Kansas City area in Missouri, and we're going to probably be in the Super Bowl, we hope again. So I'm printing these for friends. It's a big arrowhead with 3 colors, and that's the one reason I really like the Omni Drop. It's so easy to change colors with an M600 command. I had a Primeras, and they kept jamming on me, and there was no way to advance the filament. So this has been working great. I think I've done 5 or 6 of these so far, and they're about 12-hour prints. But now I'm making a new spool holder for my dry boxes. The ones I've been using, I'm just not really happy with. They don't feed that well. So I thought I could design my own, and we'll see how that works. But I'm also ordered parts. I'm going to try to convert this one into a dual Z also. So that's one of my probably projects in February or March. But you got the parts coming in for that. And this is the one that's already finished. And I'm about ready to move it over to the table and get it off this sort of rolling cart because I don't really have a good way to feed filament from a dry box in it. It works, but it's not the best. And this one, I'm printing the mounts for the Omni Drop. It's the main body. I've got all these that I've replaced. These are previous versions. And that's just something I like so much about the Omni Drop, that you can make changes and print your own parts to it. And I hope Max is okay with this, but made some mods in Thingiverse, and it works really well. And so I've got a couple over here that I'm working on the bench, which is a total mess right now. But so this one I just mounted, made the change, put the DB15 board on it, and it's ready to go. I got a fan that I got to replace, so I just got these fans, and it's defective already, so I'm going to fix that. Here's another one, and what I'm doing is I'm putting labels on them with the nozzle size. So that really is going to help being able to switch them, and I'll just keep them mounted here for spares and then switch as I need them. Well, thanks for watching, and leave me any comments. Take a look at the Thingiverse link and see what you think. Have a great day.